This is the first of many videos today, so the moving day TikTok today. Good morning. Welcome to Camp with Tim. Today's moving day. We are, I don't know we to it, it's me. Packing the house up. Getting ready to move today. Just took a hot shower, so I got my dehumidifier running. And they work good. Starting to put my stuff in. Got my tanks almost down. Took a long shower this morning, hot shower. Starting to load things up. I've still got this whole room to do, but starting to get it ready to go. Well, come with me as we do the walk around. Well, looks like we're ready to pull. See you at the campground. Okay, we was getting ready to pull out here, and I got in the truck and looked at my tire pressure monitoring system. I was going to do a video on this, but I was looking at my pressure, and I've got 45 and 47 on this side right here, and the same on the other. So we're gonna have to put some air in it before we leave. That's the whole point of having a tire pressure monitoring system. So let me get that squared away. All right, now that we got that taken care of, we're off.